NAS 100. I'm gonna start on the 4-hour time frame for structure. So this is a very simple analysis on NAS. As you can see right now, we are on the 4-hour time frame. We are looking for structure. Structure is the overall move of the market. Where are we going? So when I'm looking right now, let me just do this. The overall structure is up. It's clear we are on an uptrend. As you can see, we've got two blue lines, our trend lines. Every time the market touches the trend line from above, it usually goes down, and every time it touches from below, it usually goes up. Okay, so at this point we have something like it just touched the blue line, eh? So I have a question mark there. Why? Because the question is, what might happen at that level? Is it going to now break above the level and continue going up, or is it going to touch that level and drop? I don't know up to where. So but overall we are looking at an up structure. We are at a key level on the blue trend line. So we will see as to how market will react. If the market closes above this line on the 4-hour time frame, then it means market will continue higher. So now let's go down to the smaller time frames. Remember, looking at the structure, we know that we are on an uptrend. Okay, so as you can see on the 1-hour time frame, we've got another channel within a channel. Someone was just speaking about something like this not so long ago. So we've got a 1-hour channel. The market has created some kind of a 1-hour trend line channel. I'm just going to unzoom it so that you can see it the right way. You can see every time these black lines are our 1-hour trend line. Every time that black line has been touched, market has a habit of then continuing up. Every time it touches from the top, same thing happens. So if we're looking at this black trend line, the 1-hour trend line, you can see that we are not yet touched the top black trend line, meaning market might still continue higher, but for how long we don't know. So currently we had a nice strong move to the upside on a 1-hour time frame. So what I believe will happen is that if market were to continue up, of which I think that will be our best case scenario in this case, then this is what we will see. Let me just do it for you. We will have a pullback from this point, or whatever point we might have a pullback. Market might pull back to this level. This level is a key level because it was more of a resistance, then it was broken, so now it will act as after this level. We might get maybe a move higher up until this line or even above. So that is one possibility. Again, say for an example, market then breaks this level. Let me just get this one. Say market happens to break this level, then it will drop. Let me just do an illustration. If it breaks below this key level that I spoke about, then it will drop further to the next key level. If it breaks this key level, okay, now here's the thing. If it breaks this trend line and close below this trend line, then it means we might expect a move down from the market. That is when we then look to sell until maybe these levels of 100 or the next level of our support trend line down here. So practically we are not so sure about as to what will happen to the market. Only time will tell. We'll see when market opens Monday, which is a few hours from now, since it's around 10:30 now. Around 12 market opens. When market closes, that's when we'll have an idea. So we'll just study the price action and see as to what will happen, then we'll trade based on that. Usually I don't like to sell a pullback. I rather wait for the pullback to finish, then I enter after a pullback. So let's just wait and see. If we break that 1 hour trend line, then we'll be looking for sellers. If then we bounce off on the key level, then we'll be looking to buy. Then I will update you as the week goes. Thank you for watching.